From farm to table, the journey of ketchup begins in vast tomato fields under the warm glow of the rising sun. Ripe, juicy tomatoes are carefully grown and nurtured until they reach perfect freshness. Farmers harvest these tomatoes by hand, selecting only the best quality produce. Each tomato is picked at peak ripeness to ensure rich flavor and vibrant color. Once harvested, the tomatoes are loaded into large crates and transported to modern processing facilities. The journey is quick, preserving freshness and quality. At the factory, the tomatoes arrive and are unloaded onto conveyor belts in large quantities. Everything is designed for efficiency, cleanliness, and precision. The first step is thorough washing. High-pressure water jets remove dirt and impurities, ensuring the tomatoes are completely clean. Next comes sorting. Advanced machines scan each tomato, removing any that do not meet strict quality standards. Only the best tomatoes continue along the production line, moving smoothly on conveyor systems deeper into the facility. The tomatoes are then crushed into a thick, rich pulp. This marks the transformation from raw ingredient to the base of ketchup. The pulp flows through stainless steel pipes, maintaining a smooth and controlled process throughout. Now the cooking begins. The tomato pulp is heated in large vats, releasing deep aromas and intensifying flavor. Carefully measured ingredients like vinegar, sugar, salt, and spices are added to create the signature taste of ketchup. The mixture is then refined and filtered, removing seeds and skins to achieve a perfectly smooth texture. Quality control is essential. Every batch is tested to ensure consistency, taste, and safety meet the highest standards. Next, the ketchup moves to the bottling line. Empty bottles are cleaned and prepared for filling. The rich, smooth ketchup is precisely poured into each bottle in a perfectly controlled process. The bottles are then sealed and labeled automatically, ensuring uniformity and accuracy. Finally, the finished products are packaged and prepared for distribution. From factory shelves to store aisles, the ketchup is ready to reach consumers around the world. And at last, it's enjoyed in its most familiar form. Smooth, rich ketchup, served with your favorite foods. This is the journey of ketchup, a perfect blend of nature, technology, and taste.